education, and I really respect their attitude towards the education.
Ularni mana bizlarning farzandlarimizga o'rnak ko'rsatsa bo'ladi.
We can as a role models to our young generation, Indian people, the foreign students can be a real role model for the students, great inspiration for the education.
Hayotda o'qish uchun musobaqachilikda bo'lsa ham mana o'qiyapti bular.
In order to find their place in this life, they are coming from far distance places and studying great job in order to get.
Ayni damda Angren shahrida yoshlar kuni munosabati bilan uchrashuv tashkil etilyapti. Shahar hokimi Alisher Raimov Angren universitetining xorijlik talabalari bilan muloqotda bo'lyapti.
Universitetidan yoki Toshkent tibbiyot akademiyalaridan yetishmishyapti.
We know that India is one of the leaders. Medicine is very developed in India. Even if the medicine is very developed, many students are coming and preferring to study in Angren, and this really makes us happy, and we are very happy.
Bu nimani anglatadi? Bu kimni qayerda o'qishdan qat'iy nazar odamning o'ziga bog'liqligini bildiradi-da.